In today's video, we invite you to slow down and immerse yourself in the calming charm of a rustic hacienda small veranda, a tranquil nook designed for peaceful outdoor moments. Can rustic design make even the smallest veranda feel like a peaceful retreat? Watch the full video to see how thoughtful details create calm in every corner. In a world that moves fast, the humble veranda reminds us to pause, breathe, and embrace simplicity. Whether you're sipping morning coffee or winding down with sunset skies, this space is about connecting with nature and yourself. In this episode, we're not just showcasing a pretty veranda. We're unlocking the design choices that blend rustic charm with timeless hacienda elegance, all in a compact footprint. So whether you have a small balcony, a courtyard, or a garden corner, there will be ideas and inspiration here just for you. Segment 1: Hacienda Warmth and Tradition. Let's begin with the roots, the soul of hacienda design. Traditionally found in Spanish colonial architecture, hacienda verandas were places of welcome, rest, and everyday living. Their rustic personality came not from extravagance, but from a love for texture, handmade materials, and earthy elements. In a small veranda, these values become even more essential. Think stucco walls with rough finishes, terracotta tiles that warm underfoot, and aged wooden beams that frame your little outdoor haven. The rustic hacienda style honors imperfection. For the example, the cracks in the clay, the patina on old metal, and the rough touch of hand-woven textiles. The key here is authenticity. Use natural materials like reclaimed wood, lime wash finishes, and wrought iron accents to create a space that feels both grounded and timeless. Even a small veranda can whisper stories of generations past, when designed with reverence to these traditions. Segment 2. Color and Shade Harmony. The light on a hacienda veranda is always magical, whether dappled through climbing vines or softened by woven pergolas. There's a dance between sun and shade that makes time feel slower here. When designing your small veranda, lean into a warm, earthy palette. Ochre, burnt sienna, soft olive, and faded blues. These hues echo the natural world. For the walls, consider a creamy stucco or a rustic whitewash to reflect light without harshness. And on floors, terracotta tiles or even faux terracotta pavers can ground the design and bring cozy Mediterranean warmth. To balance the sun, consider shade options that add style as well. A wooden trellis with flowering vines, canvas awnings with stripes, or bamboo blinds can filter light beautifully. This interplay of textures and tones keeps the space visually rich without overcrowding it. Even in a small footprint, thoughtful control of light makes all the difference, casting golden shadows, creating cooler corners, and encouraging the rituals of rest. Segment 3. Beautiful and functional spaces. One of the biggest challenges in small veranda design is furnishing. What to include and, more importantly, what to leave out. The hacienda style celebrates slow living, so every piece should serve both function and emotion. Start with a bench or a built-in seating made of wood or stone. Rustic benches with linen or cotton cushions invite lounging without demanding too much room. Wrought iron chairs with intricate backs offer charm and can be tucked icily under a compact table. Don't forget a centerpiece. For example, a small rustic coffee table or even a repurposed wooden crate can anchor the space, and add woven baskets underneath for storage. Choose materials like distressed wood, forged iron, or natural stone. Accessories matter too. Layer textures with wool throws, striped or embroidered cushions, and woven rugs. Hang a simple lantern or vintage-style sconce for ambiance. Every item should feel like it has a story, nothing overly polished, just honest, lived in beauty. Segment 4. Nature on the Veranda. No hacienda veranda is complete without lush greenery. Plants soften hard edges, cool the air, and echo the indoor-outdoor harmony that defines Mediterranean living. In a small veranda, container gardening becomes the heart of the space. Terracotta pots filled with rosemary, lavender, and sage not only bring scent and texture, but they're also deeply rooted in hacienda tradition. Consider vertical planters or wall-mounted shelves for space-saving solutions. Climbing plants like bougainvillea, jasmine, or grapevine create privacy while adding a romantic, unruly charm. Try mix-in planters, large and small, glazed and matte, old and new, for a collected look. And don't be afraid to let things get a little wild. The rustic aesthetic welcomes imperfections. Let leaves spill, let herbs grow tall. Include a small water element if possible, a tabletop fountain, a ceramic bowl with floating flowers, something that adds a gentle sound to this peaceful retreat. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the Rustic Hacienda small veranda. A space that may be modest in size, but rich in beauty, history, and intention. found inspiration in the textures, colors, and rituals we explored today. At Liviera Studio, we believe that even the tiniest corner of your home can become a refuge, a peaceful outdoor moment where time gently slows. If this video sparked ideas for your own small veranda or outdoor nook, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow living design ideas that blend nature, culture, and soul. Until next time, may your space and your spirit be in harmony. See you in the next video.